Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to install the EuroFit literature holder. The EuroFit literature holder can be installed on most of our EuroFit displays. What's great about the EuroFit literature holder, it can be installed on either the left or right side by moving the clamp. And I'll show you how to move the clamp in the next video. But we are just going to install this holder on the left side of our EuroFit. So to install, you're just going to flip open the back clamp, and then you're going to slide the opening of the clamp onto your EuroFit, and you can install it anywhere along your EuroFit. Once you have it positioned on where you want, you're just going to clamp it shut. And it's just that easy to install your EuroFit literature holder. Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to change the clip orientation on the EuroFit literature holder. So before you begin, you'll need two tools. You'll need an Allen wrench and a pliers or a wrench. So as I flip my display over, I have the clip orientated so that it'll clip on the left side, but I'm going to switch it so that the clip will be able to clip onto the right side of any EuroFit. So the first thing you want to do is remove the screws on the clip. So using the Allen wrench, I'm just going to remove the screws. Now that I have both screws removed, I'm just going to take the clip and we're just going to flip it once and then align it with the holes on the back. So one flip and align, and then we're just going to replace the screws. And you're just going to tighten this into place. And it's just that easy to change the orientation of your clip on your EuroFit literature holder.